Whoop, sorry, buddy. Hey, what's going on? I'm at Errf 2022. It's kind of crazy if you're watching this back on repeat, because nobody's bloody watching it at the moment, which is fun. So let's move this round. So this is the East Coast Reprap Festival out of Maryland, near Bel Air. As you can see, I'm above everybody else at the moment, and this is their 3D printing show, which does look pretty cool. So we've had some fun with it so far. Prussia down there. Who else can we see from this high up elevation? We can see Tripod over there. Now Tripod is fixing my Def Racer, I think, at the moment, along with Jason. We've got Wham Bam, we've got Lightburn. As I say, Printed Solid are down there next to Prussia. Chris's Basement's down there as well. Up the top over at the right-hand side there, we've got Polymaker. We've got a little food court and stuff up here. This is basically like an American arena style setup here. They would have done like basketball and ice hockey and all that kind of stuff. Dirt 3D are here, Repcord is here. You've got 3D Gloop, you've got Capricorn, Proto Pasta. As you can see, it's kind of busy. It's a bit like a crap Comic-Con. You know, there's lots of things to see and do here. Over to the left-hand side. Hey, Tim, hope you're well, mate. E3D are here, and E3D are this year building a tribute to the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation, and they're building a giant Sanjay. The parts that you can see there have been sliced down, and they're busy making a giant effigy of him, which is awesome. And let's have a look and see what else we can see from this high up elevation. So, again, tons and tons of vendors are here. Slice Engineering are here, Jim from the Edge of Tech's here, the Build Play, who else we got here? Railcore Labs. Let's just move on round here. So this is actually very, very different from Murph, the Midwest Reprap Festival. There's Georgina there from E3D. There's the guy from Greengate. We're going out for dinner with him later. Joel Telling is down there. Can you see him down there? It's a bit like Where's Wally for 3D printing people at the moment. So Jim from the Edge of Tech is not there. 3D Chameleon, he's an interesting character. He kept taking the mick out of me last night with the accent and stuff. 3D Gloop have a huge kind of entity here. He's got the casting couch. He's got all sorts going on over there. And people have made some really interesting things. So this is basically about having a, hey there, how you doing? We're live at the moment on Facebook. Yeah, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. So we've got Prono Pasta over there as well, Capricorn, and the event is actually pretty good. So we're just going to take a walk downstairs and, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I didn't have any pancakes this morning. I did have a croissant filled with Nutella. So that was kind of interesting.
John's treating you okay though?
Yeah, Johnny is treating me okay. I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm just doing the stream at the moment. No worries. All right, buddy. Cheers. So everybody's been super nice here as well. Let's have a look and see what I can see. Is this a good angle, or would you prefer this angle? Oh, I don't know if I can do that. The thing's locked apparently. So there's another elevation here. There's a guy sort of in the middle there that's building kind of like armory out of 3D prints. We're going to we'll take you downstairs and sort of show you what's going on down there. It's the sort of food court area. So at 2 p.m. today, we are going to be doing the Def Races. And here's a load of merch for Marlin. Lots of people here at the moment, which is nice. Hey, look who that is. That's Nero 3D. Hey, having some food? I wouldn't like a chip. No, I've got Invisaligns in. Yeah, sorry, dude. It's another Dice Designer here as well. Someone's playing chess randomly. Oh, sorry. Tim from DWIT says hi. There you go. Yeah. There you go. So he's going to do it later, so make sure you check his channel out from that. So up the top here, we got Nick from Polymaker. He's travelled over from China, which is super cool. And who else have we got here? So these guys here they've got like the battle bots, and they've started doing like 3D printed versions of little battle bots, very similar to what we're doing with sort of death racers. But we've got kids and stuff on the side of this, and they've put this inside a enclosure here. That's cool. It's very cool. So as I say, Polymaker are here as well, with a range of their filaments. So they've even got the Christmas edition. Look at that. It's excellent. And Polymaker do have a death race here as well. There it is. Again, 2 o'clock's our death race today. Interesting character here with a mask on. I kind of like that. Right, so we'll take you downstairs. Show you what's going on down there. Bear with me. The good thing about this is the vastness of the event. It is a big unit of space. So downstairs they've got talks going on throughout the day. So the studio's kind of set up for that. And these guys are watching those bits. So Protopasta are down here again. Wham Bam Systems are down here as well. People have brought their kids. And this is where people will show off various things like their 3D printers. Check that out. That's the Jelly Box 3. We'll keep on walking around here, see who we can get involved with. This printer's called the Climber 7. And that's printing in PA12CF, which is my death race is made out of. Very well, how are you? Good stuff, good stuff. So everybody's got their own fit here. Now, interestingly enough, over here we've got the Hurricane, which is the new BQ clipperized bed slinger. I'm about to do a review on this. They've sent me this printer, and I'm kind of impressed with it. It's got some interesting parts on it. And over here we've got the new Ender 5 S1, which isn't printing at the moment. So if you feel lucky and want to buy one of those, you probably don't. But they're doing a giveaway. They're doing a giveaway on both printers and this Anycubic as well, which is cool. Grigate 3D is just over here. They have recycled filaments. They deal mainly in PETG. And as you may know, PETG is a recycled commodity. So we're going out with these guys later, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I think if you're into 3D printing and this is your kind of bag, then I would say that you need to make it out to one of these events at least once. Again, more types of filaments, all sorts of different types of filaments here. Chris's basement's here as well. There's Chris there, look. He's made this out of 3D printed parts. It's a little grabbing machine. People are having lots of fun with that. We've got a Voron here. Mini Vorons. This is via printed solid. What else have we got here? What can I show you around first? Let's keep going. As you can see, it's super busy. So this is cool. There's a company here called Coca Press, and they have made a hot end and enclosure that you can actually print chocolate on. So if you fancy printing chocolate, this is the place to be. There we go. Oh, someone's eating some food. Faces are here. We won't talk to them. Alien 3D are here. They've got this. Hello. They got this incredible Corex wire printer. Let's say that. That's amazing. Just had some guy pointing at me. It's weird. So E3D here. As I say, this is the Sanjay Mortimer build. People have been asked to print these blocks in a blue. Demonstrating all their parts. They've got a Losboy here. Look at that. Hi. What else have we got here? We've got a few def racers around these parts, I believe. Some Brucers. Got a CNC machine. Let's have a look. There's a duet machine here. Check this out. It's nice.
And then just so I can have.
We ignore this guy completely. Yeah, exactly. Where's the subtitles? So these are the def racers. You know that I'm involved with this stuff. There is a lot here. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on this one stand. Project R3D. This is the 3D printed guitar. Now the ironic White Knight is the guy behind this, and ironically he doesn't play the guitar. So that was an interesting chat yesterday. So this racer here is particularly awesome. It's also got a coffin. So how cool is that? That's good. You do?
I do.
Oh, okay, cool. How you doing?
I'm good. How did you make it all the way over here?
It was a long swim.
I was just gonna say.
Yeah. Yeah, we drove up 20 hours. So from Chicago. Yeah. So I flew into Chicago, met up with John from Tripod's Garage.
Okay.
Then we drove 20 hours to here. And we slept in the car on the way through. Yeah.
Well, awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I gotta get a 360 selfie.
Okay, let's get a 360 selfie. I'm streaming at the moment, so this is a bit awkward, but it's fine.
No,
It's fine.
don't worry
So
about it.
we go.
Don't worry about it. That's because here's the thing. It's a 360 selfie.
Yeah.
I do it
We
like
just do
this.
this.
Wait, no, it's on video.
Oh my god.
This is horrible.
This is weird.
It is weird. Let me change that.
Okay.
No, I don't exist.
We're waiting on you.
All right, here we go.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. And that's it.
That's it. There you go. Thank you. Right, I'm going to go on my merry little way. I shall catch up with you later. So Slice Engineering here. How debonair they are. Do like Slice Engineering. 3D Glooper here. Look at this. They got some cool things going on. There's people lounging around, sleeping about. They're taking in the 3D Gloop fumes, loving life. Check these out though. Look at that. Oh. So we go down this quiet aisle. This is the guy that's making all sorts of armory stuff, which is pretty cool. Again, we've got Mandalorian bits and pieces here. It's quite quiet here. These are the tables that didn't sell, obviously. We didn't want to be down this far. Tool changer. It's cool. Ton of models there. So let's go down the next one. Let's see if we can find down there. Okay. We've got some, I think they're Corality machines. I'm not too sure what they are. So here's a man we know.
There's like 5 of those individual pieces.
So as you can see, there's all kinds of things here, all sorts of weird and wonderful bits and pieces. The weaponry, there's another boron. They seem to be pretty popular. Over here is pretty cool, look at that.
So if that one's based off.
Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. So Filamentum here as well. Let's go down this aisle and see what we can find. Light burner coming out in force here as well. Check that out. That's cool. Recreator there as well. Ah, another Death Racer. Here we go. Hey, how are we doing? Is it working? Yeah?
You've never seen a control board like this before.
I haven't. What is it?
Tell that one.
Tell me all about it.
It's a single board control board.
Yep.
So comes pre-installed with clipper and mainsail.
All right, okay.
Yep. And then you don't need the Raspberry Pi, which will now run you what, $200?
Yep.
On eBay.
Yeah.
So that's an option.
That's cool. So how's the Death Racer going?
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Okay. You got till 2. You haven't got the gear.
Is it now?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
2 o'clock now. Yeah, you haven't got the gearboxes on yet.
Right. This is John's Swiss John's.
Oh, okay, cool.
Project.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick reminder.
Cool. I'll catch up in a minute.
Creative class stock car, or creative class Pinewood Derby car.
We've got another couple of Death Racers here.
Please ensure that it is registered
Here we go.
and brought up to the upper concourse. The races have been moved to a 1 p.m. start.
Oh.
1 p.m. start for the creative class Pinewood Derby cars.
So we'll go around here. Right, let's go down the next one. So we got, we got Focuser here. And this is their new printer. Don't know how many of you guys have seen this. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate that. Here it is. How we doing? You good?
Oh, wait till you're off.
Yeah, I won't be long. You all right? Should we? Yeah, okay. We're heading that direction anyway.
Would Mr. Winslow Halls Jr. please make their way to the front registration?
Okay, so we got the low spot stuff here. I've got Jason working on my Death Race over here at the moment.
Last thing is your LEDs.
Okay.
My receiver's now in there.
Is it? It's a receiver issue, is it?
And you swap out the side, it's still the right side, it's still the fast.
Really? It's weird. We've got Jen here as well. Jen's really impressed with the day. Check out this. Sidekick 747. David from 3D Printed Nerds here.
Yeah, you want to say hi? The signature moves.
There we go. There we go. So there we go. So that's it in a kind of nutshell. We've got one more part to go down. We've got FL7 V400 here. Another Death Racer. Death Racers have done well here this year. We've got to say it's awesome. We've got the guys from Does Design here. Hello guys. Hello. Ooh, check that out. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. And I think have we been down here yet? I don't think we have. We can't get past in any case. Hop. This is a. How we doing?
Rico's the only one I didn't get. Apparently he's out back. And
Okay.
Everyone I seen, I thought I seen.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well done. Well done. Okay. It's quite nice having some staff. Oh, we've been down this one already. How we doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm good. I'm going to finish this stream, guys. I hope you've had a good time and seeing what Errf is all about. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Over and out.